this event is called The Longest Table, and what we wanted to do is essentially grab the spirit of the school and create an opportunity for us to celebrate our diversity at University School.
It's fantastic. We have over 120 students represented, as well as teachers and staff.
I think this event is so important because it allows us to reach out to those other communities within our own school that we might not get to spend as much time with on a regular day.
Today, we're talking about identity, inclusion, and allyship. And the thing that I want you to think about is cultural identities. And cultural identities are the things that shape who you are, how you perceive and show up in the world, and how you are often perceived by the world.
It was like prioritizing what we individually each feel is the most important, and there was definitely some conflict of like, do you prioritize acceptance and happiness, or do you prioritize access?